Hi everyone, today we are making some cranberry apple crisp, just perfect for the holiday season. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be starting with some fresh cranberries. I'm also going to be using some Granny Smith apples. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of peel my apples really quickly, and I'm going to chunk this up just so it kind of matches the size of the cranberries a bit, and then throw them right in. We have our chopped apples, we have our cranberries. Now we're going to go ahead and add our sugar. From the sugar, then we're also going to add a little bit of flour. You're just really wanting that, that sugar to kind of gel while it's baking. I am a cinnamon lover, so I don't mind a little cinnamon in my mix as long as it's also on the top. It really allows us to have some beautiful colors coming through. This beautiful red cranberry, it's tart, it's seasonal. So for our crisp topping, we have oats, we have all-purpose flour, we have our ground flax, we have some brown sugar, and then we have some unsalted butter. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and kind of mix my flour in, throw in my butter here. I always kind of like to break it up a little bit, and then I'll use my hands. I find there's something to be said about kind of having a connection with your food. And then we're going to look at about a half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Here's our flax. Again, this is just gonna be a little bit healthier versus just using all flour, right? And it's a little bit nuttier as well. I'm gonna rinse my hands quickly. I'm gonna make some individual ones. Try to make kind of my ratio fairly good, but look at how pretty that red is. And then from there, what I'm going to do is just kind of drizzle my crisp topping over the top here. So I have a small pan here. I'm just going to place this on here, put it in the oven, watch her bake. I'm all about keeping it really efficient and not so much cleanup. So here we are, nice warm cobbler, nice little dish. Let it cool off just a little bit. And enjoy.